Hello, Winifred's Quest, Delta Suba Center. This is Adi speaking. How can help me you today?
Hello, hi, I like to cancel my phone on Thunder after the 20th. I won't be able to make it. Sorry.
Sir, what is your name, please?
Oh, my name is Rizki.
What you like to rescue the
You know, I'm going out of town, so I won't be back till the beginning of my. How about you? If I will call you once I get back.
No problem at all. Okay, your appointment is cancelled. Can you get back? Have a safe trip.
Thank you. You so much. Have a pretty nice day.
Okay, thank you to you. Take care. Bye.
Okay, see you again.